Hey cuties, so welcome to Explore with Dri where I am exploring NYC और आज हम लोग निकल गए हैं स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी देखने के लिए एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू फाइनली गेट टू सी दिस थिंग. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ फेरी एंड देन गो टूवर्ड्स द आइलैंड लिबर्टी आइलैंड एंड वहाँ हमें जाके स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी दिखेगा एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी आर गोइंग टू डू अनदर फेरी टू एलिस आइलैंड which has plenty of beautiful views of the entire New York skyline. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
So where are we exactly going?
Go to Statue of Liberty.
Finally.
Finally. Yeah.
Okay. And from what particular site have you like booked the tickets and everything? Can you like just explain it to the viewers?
I booked it from the Statue of Liberty, like the official website. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. It's like $30 per person. Yeah, and hope we have a good experience.
Okay, so quick check. There are 3 types of ticket. There's a crown entry, there's a pedestrian entry, and there's a normal entry. So in the normal entry, you get to just enter the Liberty Island and see the Statue of Liberty from afar. And then you can just take the pedestrian entry, in which you get to see the entire Statue of Liberty from the foot. And then there's the crown entry where you just go to the top of the Statue of Liberty and like just go to the crown of it. And the best part about that is that you get to see the entire New York City skyline all from the Statue of Liberty crown, which is an amazing view. So I'm so excited to see this and let's see how this goes. Okay, so before you directly enter the ferry, you have to go through a security check-in, जिसके बारे में I'm going to mention you guys. So you need to actually take your water bottles always in a plastic container or a transparent container. Apart from that, there are some rules where you have to put everything in one bag and that has to be your backpack and not carry anything in your pocket. So it's similar to airport security check, but it is really strict here. So once that is done, you enter this entire area and from here you are going to catch your ferry. मेरी बहन से ज़्यादा मम्मी है. So as you can see, she's holding my hand and taking me everywhere.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो बहुत छोटी बच्ची है.
छोटी बच्ची है मैं. So we have come to Ellis Island and ferry से पहले ही stop पे आता है वो. Almost 10 minutes में आ ही जाता. So you get down here, you enjoy a little bit. We are about to leave from Ellis Island and moving towards the Statue of Liberty. So this cruise comes around half an hour, 1 hour gaps. Like it's 3:30, 4:30, 4:05, and we're taking the 4:05 ferry from Ellis to Statue of Liberty. Here our ferry arrives. Make sure you take your departures and arrival times noted before you like leave or enter the islands, so that you get plenty amount of time. You can also have your own food here, enjoy some time, and there are very nice exhibits and museums here, so you can definitely check them all. Finally arrived to Statue of Liberty. Finally. And this looks beautiful. I mean, the entire view of Statue of Liberty from the cruise was magnificent, beautiful, and above all, it was epic. I cannot use more adjectives for this because it's just, oh my god, it's once in a lifetime experience. After knowing the entire story, this entire place feels so much empowering right now. So after knowing the whole story of how the Statue of Liberty came into existence, the amount of efforts that people have taken to get this thing made, and then the structural complications, the design, OMG, the entire story gave me literal goosebumps here. So yeah, this is the point we were all waiting for. I'm gonna give you some beautiful views of it, and let's. This is it for today. I am so happy and glad to have this entire day vlogged for you guys to explain you how my entire journey is. So I can't wait for you all to watch this, and that's my sister. वो रहता है ना कि सबके पास एक अब्रॉड वाले लोग रहते हैं जिनकी वजह से वो लोग सारी दुनिया देखते हैं. मेरे पास ये है. So yeah, that's it for today and stay tuned for more.